Well, good morning. We're off to another show. We're off to GT Tuners end of season show. The lineup for this show is absolutely amazing. You'll see some of the cars in a minute. We're just at the moment at Cobham Services. We're going to meet up with a few and we're going to convoy to the actual location. Well, hopefully we'll catch loads of footage on the way. If you haven't already subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It helps with the algorithms. Anyway, let's get on to the convoy. Let's go. So normally on the way to these events, I normally get passed by all sorts of really cool cars. And today I've been overtaken by a Zanussi, a Hot Point. Hey, the world's changing, people. We're in our convoy and we're on our way to the actual event. Let's see if I can get you a little bit of footage of these cars. It's like Supra heaven. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready for this. 25. Look at these gorgeous Supras. Honestly. We're going to have to move out to the next lane so people can come across. We're moving out. There we go. Let's get along to another one. Colour, gorgeous colour that is. Silver Mark IV, looks pretty stock. I didn't actually see that when we stopped at Cobham. Nice looking car. Yeah, I think that's stock. Wow, don't see many stock Supras. There's a Mark V, which is Paul's Mark V. I'm going to move over to get some footage of them. That's Paul's Mark V. And Chris's bright yellow Supra, as it's known on this channel. Okay, so here we go. So we're in a bit of a holding pattern now, and take a couple of the cars that are sat here.
Quite after the Supra.
Very nice. See if we can get along with all of these before they move us all on. And then all the Supras that, oh no it's not, it's a lie. Seeing a bit of a fad here going, Supra people.
Don't come out.
Very nice and white. I do love a Supra in white. It's Chris's, Michael's, Paul's Mark V. Do you know, I'm feeling a little bit left out here. There's only about 2 other cars that aren't Supras. Feeling a little bit left out. They're all Supras.
Oh, alright.
There's a couple, I noticed. Almost through everybody now. We just saw that in the petrol station. And there we go. That's all the cars in this group ready to go into the event. Okay, so we're here. It's got a DJ. We've got loads of cool cars. Loads of cool cars. And look what gets on a prime position. Where's Chris's boy? All the way over there. There's his car. Look, prime position. Ferrari, Lamborghini. So here we go. I'm going to give you a little rundown of what's here so far. Love a white Supra. Look at this engine. Damn, what a beautiful car. There's the race car. Sat next to that, how overshadowed is my car? Madness. Lovely veal-side Supra. That's a bit different, isn't it? That's very cool. You don't say Supra without saying SRD tuning. Can you believe it? He's too bright in a Supra! What's that? You got to hang out with celebrities now, look.
He's a celebrity, I didn't know, sorry. I'm too old to know those sort of things.
Yiannimize, he does the rapping and stuff for all
Right. I'll explain.
That's what all these are, yeah.
Home sweet home.
You know, I wish you could just say that 4 cars would be enough, but in my experience, it isn't. I like them all. And I will always have multiples of each. I am. I am. Can't have too many. Different car for 365 days out of the year. I'd be pretty happy. I wish you could just say that 4 cars would be enough. It'll always remain that way. I wish you could just say that 4 cars would be enough.
XPS charge 350. Very, very cool.
It'll always remain that way. it's a big part of my lifestyle. Problem is, I appreciate them all.
Finally the smoke clears and you can see what caused it. Those tyres are really tight. Holy shit, look. Oh, that's a mess. That is absolutely madness. That's mad. Right. Lovely 300ZX just come in. Check this out. Awesome colour for it as well. That is beautiful. Oh, look at this. Wide body. Well, that's having some work done, isn't it? So, here we see another yellow Supra. It's not Chris's yellow Supra! That's so cool. And a friend of ours who just gone and bought this R32, which is absolutely lovely. Loads of people, loads of cars. Look at that GTR. Jeez. Billy's 3000 GT. He's the guy that's organising all of this.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm
3 Supras in a line. Not something you see every day.